Now we'll do the app-related development, and in SAP side, the first development we'll create a table, and along with table maintenance, which will store the secret key along with the user ID. Then we'll process next development one by one. So very first development in SAP will do creating of table and a table maintenance. So let's log into SAP system. Go to decode SC11. Here I will give the two table name as Z2FA underscore secret. This table along with the user ID will show the secret key which will be required to validate at the time of login. 2FA secret key till class A. Just make table maintenance allowed. Go to fields tab. The first field is mandate. Make as the key field. Data element also mandate. Second field like as uname, that's the user ID. This will be also key field. Third field I want to take as secret key. If you only can create a data element, okay, let's create a data element. ZZ, let's say secret underscore key. Save in a package. To transfer to the PRD system, now we want to create this data element first. Double click on this. Let's say secret key. I'm going with the built-in type like character. We can use 16 character also, but here I'm taking as 32. 16 will also work. Secret key. Go to the field label. Here give the label as 10, that is secret key, medium secret key, and the long secret key. Save the data element. Check and activate. So we created data element first. Now we can see data elements here. So we have only two fields. One is the user ID and second is secret key. Click on save. Go to technical setting. Select the data class as master data because we'll be having only one record per user, so that will come under the data class as master data. Size category 6500. Click on log changes. Save. Check. Go back. Save. Check. No need to do anything. Just activate the table. To avoid this warning, what we can do, go to extras, enhancement category, just select as cannot be enhanced. Now activate, so you cannot see the warning message again. Now we create table, just create a table maintenance also. So for creating table maintenance, go to utilities, table maintenance generator, give the authorization group as &NC &, there is no authorization. In the function group, you can enter the same name as a table name. Select one step here. Click on find screen number, propose screen number, press enter. You can see the screen number 1. Click on create. This will create a function group and function model for this table maintenance generator. Save in the package. The same request. This will create our table maintenance for the recently created table Z2FA underscore secret. Copy this. Go back. Now we can check with the SM30 whether we are able or not to add the entry using this table. So here we can see we can easily add the user ID and the secret key. Anyway, in actual program, so what we'll do, we'll add a record automatically in this table. But if for some old user you already generated a secret key and you just want to restore, so you can directly come to table maintenance and you can add the values. So let's create a key code also. We can use the same table name as key code. Let's say user 2FA secret key. Go for last one transaction with the parameter. Press enter. Here enter T code as SM30. Skip initial transaction. Select all the checkbox. And here in the name of the screen field, select the view name. Give the table name. And in the next field, select as, let's say, show equal to X. Save. Check. Test. So what we can do, as in real time, obvious will assign this T code to some of the power user or the basis user who will be responsible for doing all the user activity. So they need to just go to the command bar, enter z2fa underscore secret, change mode. They can add the user ID here and the secret key when they will generate. So like this, they need to generate the secret key. I will delete this because anyway I will be inserting this record through the function module. So now we're done with the first steps, that is creating of table maintenance, creating of the table maintenance along with the table. So this is step we have completed. Next, now as we have done our testing of that endpoints from the Rapid API websites from this URL, as well as we done all the testing in the Postman tool. Now we need to consume all three URL, that is the secret key, enrollment and validate. All three web services we need to consume into SAP. So for that, first we'll create a function group. Inside the function group, we'll create a function module, and in that function module, we'll consume the web services. Now we'll do development for this activity.